In 2016, Nectome was founded by Robert McIntyre and Michael McCanna. The company's goal was to preserve human brains in a way that would enable them to be uploaded to a computer or other technology in the future. The idea behind Nectome's preservation process is to chemically fix a person's brain in a way that would preserve its structure and function. The company's technique involves using a high-tech embalming process that replaces water and lipids in the brain with a special fixative. Nectome's process was originally intended for use in medical research, but it quickly became apparent that there was another market for it. Wealthy individuals who were interested in extending their lives beyond their physical bodies. Nectome began marketing its services to the ultra-wealthy, offering them the opportunity to preserve their brains in the hopes that they could one day be revived or uploaded into a new body. The price for Nectome's brain preservation services is steep, $100,000 per person. However, the company claims that it has a waiting list of people who are willing to pay that price. The idea of brain preservation has become something of a trend among the rich and famous. There have been reports that celebrities such as Elon Musk and Tony Robbins have expressed interest in Nectome's services. Despite the interest from the ultra-wealthy, Nectome's technology is still largely experimental. The company has yet to demonstrate that its brain preservation technique actually works. There are also ethical concerns surrounding Nectome's services. Some critics argue that the company is preying on people's fears of death, and that there is no scientific basis for the idea that a preserved brain could be uploaded to a computer or other technology. Nevertheless, Nectome continues to market its services to the wealthy, and there are some who believe that brain preservation could become a mainstream trend in the future. Nectome's founders have said that they hope to have a working brain preservation process in place by 2025. They believe that their technology could eventually be used to help people with degenerative brain diseases, and that it could have a profound impact on the field of neuroscience. Despite the controversy surrounding Nectome's services, the company has managed to attract significant investment from venture capitalists. In 2017, Nectome raised $1 million in seed funding from investors including Y Combinator. In the years since its founding, Nectome has continued to refine its brain preservation process. The company has partnered with a number of research institutions and universities to conduct studies on the effectiveness of its technique. Despite these efforts, Nectome's technology remains largely unproven. The company has yet to demonstrate that a preserved brain can be revived or uploaded to a computer. Critics argue that Nectome's brain preservation services are little more than a gimmick, and that the company is preying on people's fears of death. Others believe that the company's technology could have important implications for the future of neuroscience. As of 2023, it is unclear whether Nectome's brain preservation technology will ever become mainstream. The company's services remain expensive and largely unproven, and there are significant ethical concerns surrounding the idea of uploading a human brain to a computer. Despite these concerns, there are some who believe that Nectome's technology could have a profound impact on the future of human life. If the company's brain preservation process does prove to be effective, it could have major implications for the way we think about death and the afterlife. In the end, the future of Nectome remains uncertain. But one thing is clear: the company's brain preservation services have sparked a lively debate about the ethics and practicality of attempting to extend human. One of the main concerns surrounding Nectome's technology is the lack of regulation in the industry. The field of brain preservation is largely unregulated, leaving companies like Nectome free to market their services with little oversight. This lack of regulation has also led to concerns about the safety and efficacy of Nectome's preservation process. Some experts worry that the chemicals used in the embalming process could be harmful to the brain, potentially rendering it useless for future revival or uploading. Despite these concerns, there are some who remain optimistic about the potential of Nectome's technology. The company's founders have said that they are committed to conducting rigorous scientific studies to demonstrate the effectiveness of their preservation process. Nectome is not the only company working on brain preservation technology. There are a number of other companies and research institutions that are exploring the potential of cryonics and other methods of preserving the brain. In the end, the debate over brain preservation technology is likely to continue for years to come. But regardless of the outcome, The work of companies like Nectome is pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible when it comes to extending human life. While the future of the company remains uncertain, its work is a reminder of the incredible potential of science and technology to change our understanding of what it means to be human. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video about Nectome and its efforts to revolutionize the field of brain preservation.